What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to merge two products together on your Shopify store. So first of all, this is a new Shopify store, a dummy account that I set up for the sake of this video. And make sure first that you have a couple of products. Here I added like a sample product. However, in order to merge more than or two products together, you obviously need to have more than one product. Now to do so, we'll need to use an app. So go here from your Shopify store, go to apps here, and then search for bundle kit. Hit enter. It'll open up the Shopify app store. Okay, let's complete the bundle kit. And this is the app that we want, the bundle kit. It does have a free plan available and it's highly rated, and that's pretty cool. However, you can also go with like an app such as fast bundle and discounts. So any app basically which allows you to bundle or merge products together as one bundle for sale on your website. Now for this video, we'll go with bundle kit. Click on it, then click on install. Then on this page, click on install once again. And now your app is installed. However, it does require you to like provide a payment method here in order to renew or to pay if you want to invest in the paid plans here. However, I want to go with the free plan. So cancel it. And here, click on the bundle kit in the apps right here in the settings, apps and sales channel. And here you can open the app and it seems to be redirecting to the same page. Now here you can connect a payment method. Even if you want to get the free plan, you can just add a payment method, add a card, or connect your PayPal and continue with this app. You can go ahead and bundle products together to sell on your Shopify store.